The human brain is programmed to trust itself. Mirroring hacks that program. It's a primal instinct, a silent language spoken in gestures and expressions, shaping our perceptions and decisions without a single word. This isn't magic, it's deeply embedded psychology. Imagine a world where influence isn't about argument, but about resonance. This is the realm of mirroring, a subconscious dance where we subtly imitate the posture, gestures, and even speech patterns of those around us. It's not mimicry, it's a profound, often invisible connection. This subtle alignment builds an immediate, unspoken rapport. It signals belonging, creating a bridge of familiarity between individuals. We are drawn to what feels familiar, to what reflects ourselves. Psychologists call it the chameleon effect. Studies reveal that individuals who are subtly mirrored feel a stronger sense of rapport and liking towards the person mirroring them. This isn't conscious manipulation. It's an automatic, deeply ingrained social mechanism. Our brains are wired to perceive similarity as safety and trustworthiness. When someone unconsciously mirrors us, our subconscious registers them as one of us. This bypasses critical thought, opening pathways to acceptance and persuasion. But mirroring extends far beyond physical actions. Emotional echoing is its deeper, more potent cousin. It's the ability to subtly reflect another's emotional state, creating a profound sense of understanding and empathy. This isn't just about nodding, it's about feeling. When you echo someone's emotional tone, you bypass their logical defenses. You communicate non-verbally, "I understand you, I am like you." This creates an almost unbreakable bond of rapport, fostering trust and openness where none existed before. The key to effective mirroring lies in its subtlety. Overt imitation is perceived as mockery, breaking rapport instantly. True mirroring is a delicate art, a gentle dance of alignment, almost imperceptible to the conscious mind. It's about pacing, not copying. A slight lean, a similar hand gesture, a matching vocal cadence. These small, deliberate adjustments create a powerful subconscious connection that disarms and engages. In negotiations, sales, or even personal interactions, mastering this trap grants immense power. By subtly mirroring, you can guide conversations, build trust rapidly, and influence outcomes. You become the trusted confidant, the natural ally. This isn't about deceit. It's about understanding human connection at its most fundamental level. It's about leveraging our innate programming to foster genuine rapport, or to subtly steer an interaction towards your desired conclusion. Yet, with such power comes responsibility. The mirror trap can be used for profound good, building empathy and understanding. But in the wrong hands, it becomes a tool for manipulation, exploiting trust for personal gain. Understanding this mechanism is your shield and your sword. Recognize when you are being mirrored, and consciously choose how you engage. Learn to wield this silent power, not to control, but to connect, to persuade, and to truly understand.